Imagine stepping into your garden to find a kaleidoscope of colors greeting you, no matter the season. This isn't just a dream, it's entirely achievable with the right gardening tips and a dash of creativity. Seasonal gardening offers an ever-changing landscape that brings joy and color to your life throughout the year. Let's dive into how you can create a garden that's a feast for the eyes, regardless of the weather outside. Spring, a fresh start. Spring is nature's way of saying, let's party, and what better way to join the celebration than by planting a variety of bulbs and early bloomers. Think tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths to kick off the season with vibrant colors. Incorporating perennial beds alongside these can ensure that as the bulbs fade, the perennials take center stage, providing a seamless transition in your garden's color palette. Summer, the color explosion. Summer is all about boldness and abundance. It's the perfect time to mix in annuals with perennials for a full-season color blast. Zinnias, marigolds, and petunias are excellent choices for adding pops of color. Don't forget about adding some heat-tolerant greens like succulents or ornamental grasses for contrast and depth. Creating clusters of color can also help attract pollinators, adding life and movement to your garden. Autumn, warm hues and cool air. As the air cools, the garden's color theme shifts to warm oranges, yellows, and reds. Chrysanthemums, aster, and sedum are fall favorites that ensure your garden remains vibrant as the days shorten. Planting trees or shrubs with colorful foliage or berries, like Japanese maples or holly, can add texture and interest, making your garden a cozy retreat in the chill of autumn. Winter, subtle charms. Winter doesn't mean your garden has to go dormant. With strategic planning, you can enjoy subtle colors and textures even on the coldest days. Evergreens provide a constant backdrop of green, while berried plants like winterberry or viburnum can offer pops of color against the snow. Ornamental grasses, with their frost-kissed tips, can also add beauty and movement. Creating a garden that remains colorful year-round requires planning and a bit of creativity. By selecting the right plants for each season and considering their life cycle and bloom times, you can ensure your garden is a dynamic explosion of color, no matter the time of year. So, grab your gardening tools and let's paint the outdoors with the hues of all seasons.